Hey guys, this is Disney Cars Toy Club, and today we are going on a super silly adventure with our good friends Cookie Monster and Elmo. Cookie Monster and Elmo only have one thing on their minds today. Can you tell what it is? That's right, it's ice cream. Cookie Monster and Elmo hop into Cookie Monster's train to go find some ice cream. My favorite ice cream is strawberry. What's your favorite ice cream? They rode and they rode and they rode until finally they found exactly what they were looking for. The ice cream shop. Hooray!
Me hungry. Me want ice cream.
Elmo wants ice cream too. Now what kind of ice cream do you think Cookie Monster would want? We know that Cookie Monster loves cookies, so I bet he wants cookie dough ice cream.
Oh yes, me love cookie. And so me love cookie flavored ice cream. Yum 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 yum.
There's Cookie Monster's delicious cookie dough ice cream cone, and we're gonna put some chocolate chips in it. Let's take some little pieces of brown Play-Doh and press those into his ice cream cone. What do you think, Cookie Monster? Does it look good?
Oh yes, it looks scrumptious. Yum 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 yum. Nom nom.
Okay, cookies were covered. Cookie Monster ate almost every bite of that ice cream. Cookie Monster, your tummy must be really full.
No, Cookie Monster not full. Cookie Monster tummy still small. Cookie Monster want more.
Cookie Monster ordered a caramel and hot fudge sundae. And soon he had eaten all of that. And then he ordered a lemon parfait with cherry sprinkles. And soon that was gone too. Cookie Monster was eating a lot of ice cream, and something was starting to change. Cookie Monster's tummy was getting bigger and bigger and bigger, until finally Cookie Monster flopped over on his back. Cookie Monster was not feeling so good. Elmo came over with his ice cream cone to find out what was going on. And when Cookie Monster told him how much ice cream he'd eaten, Elmo could not believe it. Elmo also couldn't believe how big Cookie Monster's tummy was. Elmo explained to Cookie Monster that eating too much is not a good idea. And then Elmo loaded Cookie Monster up in the train car and pushed him home.
Me tummy hurts. Why did I do that? Me will never eat too much ice cream again. Oh.
Let's go, Cookie Monster! Bye-bye! And don't forget, Elmo loves you!